this session we will discuss the Hake reaction. The Hake reaction is a very important reaction for the formation of new carbon-carbon bond. In this reaction, palladium catalyst is used. Palladium is the most versatile metal in modern organic synthesis. The definition of Hake reaction: the coupling of an alkene with alkyl halide or triplet in the presence of palladium catalyst to form a new alkene is known as a Hake reaction. In that Hake reaction, aryl alkyl halide react with alkene in the presence of catalytic amount of palladium 0 and formation of new carbon-carbon bond. Generally, the Hake reaction observed in simple alkene, aryl substituted alkene such as acrylate ester, phenyl ether and N-phenyl amide. The general reaction, the alkali halide RX react with alkene in presence of palladium and base, formation of new alkene. It means formation of new carbon-carbon bond in this position. The alkali halide RX, R is the alkali group. Alkali group is aryl, phenyl and alkyl, and X is a halide or triplet is generally used in Hake reaction. The mechanism of Hake reaction generally carried out into three steps. One is oxidative addition, beta hydride elimination and reductive elimination. Palladium 0 oxidation state first initially react with alkali halide. The reaction of alkali halide formation of palladium second complex with addition of R and X group. The oxidation state of palladium 0 to +2. Oxidation state of palladium chain from palladium 0 to palladium second. It means that state is called as oxidative addition because oxidation of palladium is carried out. In the second step, the alkali group insert in the palladium complex and formation of pi complex. That pi complex rearrange into the sigma complex, formation of rearrangement formation of palladium sigma bond and one R group transfer from palladium to carbon-carbon double bonded carbon position and formation of this sigma complex. In that sigma complex, beta hydride elimination, another important step is beta hydride elimination carried out. In beta hydride elimination of PDXH, and our product new alkene. In this new alkene, new carbon-carbon bond is generated. The palladium second oxidation state converted into palladium 0 in presence of base. That step is called as a reductive elimination. Reduction of palladium is carried out, palladium second to palladium 0 and palladium 0 available for the next cycle. So this is cyclic mechanism of the Hake reaction. Three important are oxidative addition, beta hydride elimination and reductive elimination. One example of the Hake reaction, iodobenzene when react with alpha beta unsaturated ester in presence of palladium 0 and base, formation of cinnamic ester. Cinnamic ester is important starting material in many organic transformation. In mechanism, this is a palladium 0 complex having 4 ligand. That ligand is triphenylphosphine ligand. Triphenylphosphine ligand is a neutral ligand. The palladium 0 oxidation state but having 18 electron in this complex. How the 18 electron? Palladium outermost d orbit present 10 electron and 4 ligand transfer 2 electron, means 10 plus 4 into 2 8. It is a 18 electron complex. The 18 electron complex is less reactive, it dissociate in presence of solvent. In dissociation, elimination of 2 ligand and formation of 14 electron complex. In elimination of 2 ligand, two position is vacant, and that vacant position acquired by the partial bonding with the solvent. Partial bonding. The second step, the 14 electron complex is more reactive in oxidative addition. Addition of iodobenzene in this complex and formation of 16 electron complex. This step is called as the oxidative addition step. After 16 electron complex, again reactive, in that complex insertion of CS2 double bond CSCOET through sigma bond. I have directly written the sigma bond. And that sigma complex rearranged via beta hydride elimination. Rearranged via beta hydride elimination and formation of cinnamic ester is our product. And along with palladium, two complex having two ligand H and X. In reductive elimination, elimination of hydroiodic acid and formation of 14 electron complex, that is a more reactive in our this mechanism state. This 14 electron complex again react with oxidative coupling reaction, and this reaction is carried out up to the starting material is available. Three reactions related to Heck reaction. Iodobenzene react with cyclic double bonded compound palladium acetate in triethyl amine as a base. Formation of new carbon-carbon bond. In second example, NaCO-CS3 in benzene ring and bromine also present. So only bromine participate in reaction with PS-CS double bond CH2 in palladium acetate in triethyl amine. Formation of this new carbon-carbon bond. In third example, dimethoxyiodobenzene. In presence of both methoxy group, the iodobenzene participate in formation of new carbon-carbon bond with palladium acetate, triphenyl phosphine and potassium acetate as a base. Formation of this new carbon-carbon bond. So in Heck reaction particularly very useful for the formation of new carbon-carbon bond, and that new carbon-carbon bond is very important in an organic synthetic process. Thank you.